I'm Riya, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a animal puppet which can be used as a greeting card. So the things we need to make this puppet are a A4 size yellow color sheet. Since we are making a tiger, you could use orange color also. A yellow color origami paper, you could use orange, and you can even cut an A4 size paper into half. Glue, googly eyes, scissors, pencil erasers, and a sketch pen. We are going to make the puppet like this. We put our fingers from the back and we move the puppet like this. Okay, so first what we are going to do is make this part where you keep your hands in and move the puppet. We take the yellow color A4 size sheet and put it landscape place and fold it. But fold it in such a way that some space is left. And then press it a lot.
So it's not an exact half fold.
Yeah, it's not an exact half fold, but you need some space over here. Okay, after that we need glue. And we're going to make a line over here. Okay. Now we have left this space, so we're going to fold this equally into the end and stick it like this. If we need more glue, we can use it. Okay, now you show the front part to the mirror, or if you show yourself the back part, and this folded part you fold it equally backwards. So you should be able to see the folded part that you have stuck. Equally you have to fold it and press it. Okay, now we make it stand like this. See the part which you can see the layers of papers like this should be on top, and at the bottom should be the folded part. First we are going to take one of these. There are two parts over here you can see on the top. So one part we are going to fold it to the front like this, and the other at the back. Okay, now this is ready from the yellow part. You can see the front part looks like this, but the back part, it has two pockets. In one you put your thumb and in the other put your 4 fingers. And now try to lift your fingers up and down like this. Okay, now the main part is ready, and now we're going to do the ears. We're going to take the origami paper or the half A4 size paper. We are going to take a pencil and take a cap of a circle, and then put it over here and draw the circle. If your circle is drawn wrong, erase it and draw it again. Okay. Now we're going to cut this circle. We have this circle now. We're going to fold the circle into half. We open it now and cut it from the middle.
On the folded line.
On the folded line. From the sides you can make it proper now if you want. Okay. Now on these two halves, you take a black sketch and draw some lines like a tiger has. You can use a scale if you want. In the same way, I'm going to draw in the other ear. We are done with this. We can make it on the other side, but I'm making it on one side. Okay. Now we can make the eyes. Although I have googly eyes, we can make the eyes, but we are not going to make it for now.
Can you show sample of the eyes and the other one?
Yeah. So the sample of the eyes is this. We can cut an A4 size white color sheet into a size of a circle of this size minimum. And after that we can draw our eyes on top of the white circle and then stick it. Now comes the sticking part. First you take your ears. Then you hold it like this, no? From here and from here. You hold it like this and put your hands on top and put this in the bottom. So when you do it like this over here, you should see, you put your hands like this to measure the place where you keep it. And now you keep it over here. At least your hand should be seen over here and maybe the other one over here. Don't keep it fully out. Keep a little, don't keep it like this. Keep it little bit like this. And now we're going to stick it. Again we need the glue. And now we are going to stick it.
Here.
And now we stick the other ear. it should look like this. Now we take the eyes, or if you have made from papers, you could take those also, and stick it at the bottom. Now this doesn't look like a tiger, so we are going to make lines on this also. From the top,
It can be any wavy lines, Riya. Need not be. You can just make wavy lines.
it could be wavy lines also, but I'm making straight lines.
Tiger doesn't have straight lines. You can make wavy.
Now if you want to make a leopard, then you can put dots instead of lines on the ears and the body.
Nose.
The nose is always below the eyes, so we're going to make the nose now.
Thank you for telling me that.
So first we take a pencil in case we draw it wrong. Draw a line. And draw a curve in the bottom. Now since tiger's nose is always black, we have to color it in black. Okay. Now inside. Inside what we do is we can write a greeting card over here. But if you don't want to make a greeting card, then we draw tongue over here first, like a U shape, and up. Now I'm not making a red color tongue, I'm making a yellow color tongue only.
Just color it red, no?
We could color it red also.
Just color it red.
So we take a pencil color and then first we trace it up like this. I have some black marks. I'll have some this mark, so I'm gonna erase it later. Okay, now we color this. We could stick a paper also. Now we're going to see if the tongue is okay. Now what we're going to check is, does this work? Now if you want to make a greeting card, you can write down up or even in the tongue. Okay, so now we're going to see how it looks. So we move it like this. This is how it looks from outside. Now we're putting our hands in. And now open and close, open and close. Don't write immediately since.
Can you show the ladybug card?
And see, this is a perfect match. It looks very nice. Although the ladybug doesn't have a nose, but see, their tongues are like this. You can stick the tongue like this, but I have drawn it. The ears are the same, see, with dots. And they have eyes. We could use a black color paper for ladybugs. Thank you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time with something fun.